What a shithole. This whole fucking planet is full.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday! So, andito na kami ngayon sa doktor, sa clinic. Kasi nga merong appointment si Zeta para ma-check yung kanyang mata. It's 1:03 p.m. Yung appointment namin is 1:15 p.m. So, okay naman yung weather, kaya lang medyo makulimlim siya. It's, I think, the warmest is 17 degrees Celsius.
I've done sunglasses.
Zeta, are you ready
My Zelda is
to see the doctor? It's 1:02. What time are we gonna go inside?
I don't know, maybe 5. I'm gonna get her.
Oh, it's 17 degrees Celsius here.
I'm gonna get Zelda, but we're gonna stay
It's gonna
here.
be 18 degrees Celsius.
110. We're going at 110.
110.
Let me get Zelda.
What is it? Hi! Are you ready to see the doctor? Don't cry. It's okay. That's okay. Kinakausap ko si Zeta na wag umiyak kasi syempre titignan nila yung mata, baka mag-freak out itong batang ito. Hi, Zelda. Her shoes. Look.
Zelda needs shoes.
Where is her pretty hat?
Covered in
Zelda.
dirt. You
Oh,
knock the dirt
no.
off.
The pretty hat of Zelda.
Are you?
And then after that, we are going to Costco.
Ugh,
Second time in Costco.
I don't wanna. Ayoko. You gotta wait, babe.
Love you.
You go see the doctor. Let
You
me see your
show Zelda
eye.
on the camera.
Let me see your eye. Come show Dada. Halika dito.
Hey,
Look at Daddy.
no binky. No
Let me see your
binky.
eye. Look at Dada.
No binky.
Oh.
Are you looking
Oh.
at it?
Oh yeah, my little bird.
Can you show
What about
yourself
this
with
one?
the
Let me see this
camera?
one.
Say hi, guys.
What a good
Look
girl.
at my OOTD. Say, look at my OOTD, everyone. Hi, everyone. Look at my OOTD.
My good girl. Are you gonna show the doctor? Show doctor your eye. Show doctor eye.
Yes, don't cry, ha? It's okay.
I will show the doctor my eye. I will show the doctor my eye.
It's
You wanna sit down,
okay.
You wanna drive?
Say
You drive car?
hi, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Hello, guys.
Oh no.
I'm hungry.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's go fast.
Oh, no. How about Zelda?
Oh no!
How about Zelda?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
See yourself on the camera. Say hi, guys. I like seeing myself on the camera. Hi, guys.
Oh no!
Zelda. Dito na kami sa loob ng clinic, guys. Dito na kami, guys, sa
Small.
Costco.
Do you want these?
Uy, I like this one. I think this is big. Do they have extra small?
No, just small, regular small.
Just get the small one.
How do you know if they're gonna fit?
What's the size?
35,
Hey, it's
36.
big. It's not gonna fit. Zelda. Zelda. Oops. Say hi. Yung size na XL for kids, kasya sa akin. Yung shorts. Zelda. Naghahanap kami ng shorts para kay Zeta kasi yung mga shorts niya maliliit na. Ang bilis lumaki ni Zeta eh. Ito rin si
What is
Zelda.
Zeta's size?
I don't know, but once I see it, I would know if it would fit her or not. Zelda. Tingin tayo ng batteries dito, guys.
This will save us money in the future.
That one.
Not
curtain.
these ones, maybe.
Duracell.
There's no price on it. Look at this.
GPS. Isn't that the price, love? $60.99? 14 pack.
That's for C.
So yung eyes ni Zeta guys, sabi ng doktor nung chinek niya, medyo okay naman na pag chinek mo yung sa loob. So wala na siyang pinapagawa. Kahit yung drops pinatigil na. Maghintay daw until June kung ganun pa. Dahil nga allergy season daw ngayon.
I don't know. Fun. You
Or
want?
sun?
It's got pistachio flavor.
How about that one? Check tayo ng bread guys.
I don't know.
Sabi nila masarap daw to, itong Danish bread. Gusto ko siya itry. Pero parang sobrang tamis kasi. Zeta! Zeta! Ang taas naman itong cart ng Costco. What's that? What is that one?
Croissant.
That one. We're gonna go bread shopping here.
Yes.
The ribs that we got last time, that one, it's too big. So tayo sa meat area. It is good. It's gonna be good for adobo. Pork belly. Oy, love, it's good for, this one, the pork. What's that? Liempo. That one.
Looks better than last time.
Yeah. How much is it? $26.49. This one is $24.78.
This is amazing.
Why didn't you put it there? Ang sarap naman yun ng karne dito. Ang dami options. What is this? Gluten free.
It might be over.
On the other side. Baklava. Love this one. This one looks nice. Organic. Why are you using your binky? No binky please. No binky please. So far, ito pa lang naman yung pinuha namin dito. Tsaka meat. Ayun, nasa baba. Meat. Ribs, chicken, and then pork belly, tapos bread. Then na kaming mamili sa Costco guys. So konti lang yung pinamili namin niya, mga meat, chicken, bread. Yun lang. Tapos bumili ulit kami ng food doon. And then mango. Kamukha siya ng mango sa atin. Not sure kung galing ba sa atin yung kaso hindi magaganda yung konti na lang kasi yung mga natira. So napagpilian.
Look, it's
So si Mr. na wow mali. He thought this is only $6 but it's
$6 a pound.
$16 and how much?
I don't know. It's good though.
Let me try. No. It's hot. Open the window. It's good.
Want pizza, baby? 2 hands. Use 2 hands.
Yeah, that one is good.
Big
How did you make it?
Huh?
Was that avocado? What is that? The green one.
It's not avocado.
It looks like avocado. How about my Zelda? See if you got that. The applesauce, we can freeze her.
Nothing for Zelda. She can eat like out of your chicken thing.
What?
Oh no!
Big bite.
Let's give her
Dinosaur,
her
dinosaur.
snack.
Big one. Chew, 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 chew. Be angry.
Is that the chicken here?
It's a calzone.
So you got calzone. I thought we were just gonna share it with them.
Wow. I saw that they have calzone chicken.
Super hungry. You can order the turkey stuff. Looks good. I like that salad. Is this salad? Try nyo yun guys. Pag pupunta kayo ng Costco, ang sarap. What's the name of it again? Ay! What's the name of that again?
I do not remember.
You say tortellini.
At this one.
Tortellini is something or other salad.
Sarap.
Italian
$15 siya.
pasta salad.
Mozzarella pearls. With mozzarella pearls.
Zeta, you can do it, baby.
So, uwi na kami guys. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung diretso na rin kami ng Walmart ngayon. Kasi hindi pa rin namin nabili dito yung mga kailangan talaga namin sa bahay. Dumaan lang din talaga kami kasi nga since andito na rin naman dahil nagpa-check up kami kay Zeta. So, yun, nagpunta na rin kami. Sarap nitong nung salad. Worth it naman yung presyo niya. Dito kami sa Petco guys. May bibilihin lang si Mr. sa loob. Hindi na kami sumama kasi tulog si Zeta. Dito kami sa Walmart guys. Nagdiretso na kami ng Walmart. It's 6:30 PM na. Get a new toy. That's your new toy. No, it's gonna poke her eyes. Then na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart guys. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-video kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Inaatake ako ng migraine dahil nga sa astigmatism ko. Nakalimutan kong dalhin yung aking eyeglasses.
Tell me when she starts crying.
She's not crying. She's fine. It's gabi na. Pero maliwanag pa rin dahil nga spring season na. It's 7:11. But I'm feeling better now. Nung naramdaman ko yung breeze ng hangin. Sa tingin ko, nagsimula tong super yung atake ng migraine ko nung naging warm yung temperature. Parang hindi na sanay sa mainit. Pero siguro naman pagka nagtagal, pag nasanay na, hindi na ulit aatake yung migraine ko. Ang hirap pa naman, sobrang sakit niya. Tapos nakakahilo pa. So pag uwi namin sa bahay, papaliguan ko na itong dalawa. And then kain ng dinner and then tulog na rin kami. Bukas, di ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. Malamang mag-walking lang kami kasi yun ang aming weekly habit. Ayun, Dan.